it's like you're building so a Lego castle or something, and so you have all of the bricks in your disposal, and you were built in a specific way, in a different kind of different specific colors and different shapes of Legos. But you see someone that's absolutely grand, like this castle, and you're just and it overwhelms you because you're just like a little old 4x4 house, and that's it, and that's actually what your dream is, and that's actually what you're trying to do, and that's something that you're actually trying to make. And what it does is, when you see someone that's a giant castle, is that it obliterates everything that and well, I'm just trying to be a small house, and then this castle comes along, and you don't know how to orient yourself towards that, and it's going to shatter the idealized version of what you are building. You might think that you were building something that's perfect to you, but it turns out, this fellow comes along, not really knowing what your name is, but it had a major impact in your life, and maybe that's a detrimental impact in your life because it shatters your ego, it shatters the way that how you see things, and it shatters your sense of perfection into yourself, because you get to see them not only that they're maybe 100 times way bigger than you, but there's also a grandeur to their disposition, and there's much better. Maybe their blocks are made of gold or something, and so not only that the structure itself is magnificent and awe-inspiring, but also the structure, the building materials for that structure itself is actually even grander than things that you're doing. But maybe you're playing with dirt and they're playing with gold, and so how do you orient yourself with that? So that's just kind of the reality, and how we shatter our own idealized version of perfection